Hey guys, Naya here. If you're new, welcome to the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're an OG here, you already know that. So in today's video, I will be installing this wig from Luvme hair. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Let's get into the unboxing. So the wig came in this beautiful box. So they sent me the Kinky curly glueless minimalist HD lace wig in honey blonde highlights and natural black. This is a classic short bob wig in 8 inches. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It also has an adjustable strap and 2 attachment combs at the sides. The texture of this wig is so soft. The coils are so bouncy. I also threw in some goodies as well as some user guide on how to install and also care for the hair. So right now, let's just move on to installation. So guys, for installation, since this unit is everything, it is already pre-cut, pre-plucked, and also pre-bleached. So guys, this is a beginner friendly wig, because if you know me, you will know that I don't like the stress of lace prepping. Okay, I just love it when they have been, pre-done. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to take the color of my foundation and put it onto that lace there for it to properly match my skin tone. Okay, so for installation, I'll be making use of these 2 jumbo cornrows I have. This is flat enough. I think this will sit pretty flat, so you can just go ahead to do like 4 or like 5 cornrows for you. Just do whatever works for you. Okay, just make sure you have a flat base to work with. So I'm just going ahead to basically just prep my own hair. So now that my hair is prepped, I'm going to go ahead and grab the unit. So with this unit, the good thing about it is that you can actually use a wide tooth comb to comb it out. Okay, you don't have to worry about the coils disrupting or anything. So next, as you can see, I'm just going ahead to just adjust the strap, then just put that on. Okay, and then I went back in to make sure that the strap is properly secured, because we don't want anything moving out of place. So next, I just went ahead to clip down the front hairlines to get it out of the way, and then cut out the excess lace. So after doing that, I'm just going in to tidy up my edges, make sure that everything is nice and neat. And as you can see, that you don't need to glue down the lace or anything. After doing that, I went ahead to just wrap up my edges to make sure that they are in place. And next, I went in to start redefining the coils. So with this unit, you can actually decide to comb out the coils more, or you can actually decide to just redefine it. Water, oil, or a leave-in conditioner can do that perfectly for you. So I just went in to start redefining the coils as I please. Okay, you can decide to leave this, you can just decide to just customize it anyhow you want. And guys, when I tell you that at first, okay, I was worried that this look was not going to do justice to my face, and also I was worried that I have never tried anything highlight or colored. If you know me, you will know that I'm an all black girly, okay, when it comes to my hair color. But you know what, I just decided to switch it up this time. I decided to do something different, something that I'm not used to. At this point, the look was coming together. I could see the vision clearly now. And guys, you just have to wait to see the final look. I also made use of the white tooth comb to fluff out the coils more, make it more fuller. And next, I went in with a flat iron to make sure that the part is sitting very nice and flat as well. And for the final result, here is what it looks like. At this point, guys, I just realized that I should try more bob hairstyle and short hairstyles often. You know, switch it up every once in a while, because this looks so good on me, okay? This unit is eating real good on me and I'm here for it. And it just feels like I'm looking at a completely different person, because this is kind of a new look for me, but I love it. So guys, this unit is an effortless one. It is like a ready to go wig. So if you're like me that doesn't like the stress of prepping laces, then this wig is definitely for you, because it is beginner friendly. It is pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. You just put it on, no glue required, and it is affordable as well. And this is a very effortless unit to help switch up your style every now and then. So guys, all the information regarding this honey blonde highlight natural kinky coily minimalist HD glueless wig by Love Me Hair will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out, and don't forget to use my code NAYA28 to get 28% off your order. So guys, this is where I'll be closing today's video. I hope this one was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section below. And all the information regarding this unit by Love Me Hair will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Make sure you turn on that bell notification, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.